Hi Leo, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 24th of October. Before we go ahead and start the video, please note that these are general readings, hence only take what resonates with you and what doesn't resonate, please leave that bit of the video. Now, how we'll go about with the video is the top row will be for you, the bottom row will be for your person, but again, feel free to switch if you like. Now, let's jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. Person B here has Eight of Wands, Page of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. Bottom of the deck I have a Page of Wands, which means that there is a kind of an immature energy between the two of you and it is more focused towards passion right now. Now from the first set of cards I see you have the Ace of Pentacles, which means you want a new beginning, and that beginning is based on stability. You want to start small and eventually build this relationship, which is a very positive sign. The second card for you is the the Queen of Pentacles. This means that you'll do very good for yourself financially. And the next card that I see here is Seven of Wands. This means that in some cases there could be people around you that is going to cause you some kind of headache, anxiety and stress. These people, again, they could be anybody. It could be a family member, friends, colleagues, anybody who will go ahead and try to interfere in this relationship in some form or the other. Now for person B, the first card is Eight of Wands, which means that they want to go ahead and communicate with you with regards to something. The second card for them is Page of Cups. Here it means that with a very immature energy, this person would want to go ahead and express their emotions with you. And the third card that I see here is the Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands indicates that this person, though they have emotions for you, for them passion also plays an important role. They want to go ahead and have a good time with you, but right now I'm not seeing a lot of stability from this person's end. Now let's see what is the intention of this person. So the first card that I see here is Seven of Wands, Eight of Swords and Ace of Swords. With Seven of Wands, it means that this person will become a little defensive. Okay, they will try to defend something. It could be this relationship, it could also be something that they are trying to guard really close to themselves. The next one is Eight of Swords. It indicates that this person is blindfolded. They are not very clear on what they want because they are not able to see things clearly also. The third card is Ace of Swords, which means a new beginning, but this new beginning will only happen post both of you have a very honest conversation with each other. Now let's also see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the Moonology Oracle card message is your hard work is paying off. So if you have put in hard work in this relationship, it will pay off. You don't have to worry about it. Just have a little patience and be transparent, and things will work out between the two of you. Now let's also quickly see what is the message from Archangels and a crystal that can also help you in the situation here. So the crystal that I see for you is Copper. The crystal message is, do you need some motivation to transform your reality? Do you find your mind wandering when you are trying to stay focused? If so, you need to find your passion and begin experiencing the rewards that come with living it. Do what you love. Prosperity is yours, but you must take action. With this, there is also a message here from Archangel Zadkiel that I'll go ahead and put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.